I think if I had to pinpoint one particular case, it was a tractor trailer case for a young 6-year-old client where my clients were sitting in the roadway. A tractor trailer was driving in a construction zone and another car cut off the tractor trailer, and the tractor trailer hit that car and then ended up swerving across the roadway and hitting my client's vehicle, totaling the vehicle with a 6-year-old who was asleep in the back seat. Initially, when we got the case, the insurance company and the trucking company for the tractor trailer denied all responsibility, blaming the car that had cut the tractor trailer off. We ended up filing suit on the case, came to find out that the tractor trailer driver was going way too fast for a construction zone, and ultimately when he couldn't stop for the other car, instead of being able to bring his truck to a controlled stop, he veered across the highway, which is when he ultimately struck my client. I was told by the defense lawyer when we first filed that lawsuit that they would never pay a dime on the case, based on the fact that they didn't feel that they had any responsibility for it. Ultimately, we were able to secure a $9,250,000 settlement for our client the week before trial. And I think that's one of the cases that, not just because of the amount of the settlement, but because of the case itself, it was one of my favorite cases. We were really able to help my client in that case. He was a 6-year-old who was rendered for the most part brain dead as a result of the wreck. And we were able to secure a settlement that allowed his parents to quit their jobs, take care of him, buy a house, buy the things that are necessary for him for the rest of his life. And to do it in a case where the police report was against us, the tractor trailer company and insurance companies all told us we had no hope of recovery. To be able to help get that child a recovery and help his life and his parents' life really meant a lot to me.